Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Selaulia Putri, and today I want to talk about an environmental issue that has recently become a hot topic in Indonesia. Nickel mining in Raja Ampat. Raja Ampat is a very beautiful place in Papua, Indonesia. It's known as the last paradise because of its clear water, beautiful coral reefs, and rich marine life. But unfortunately, some companies want to mine nickel there. Nickel is a metal used to make electric car batteries. Because of high demand, many companies want to mine it even in natural flights like Raja Ampat. A few weeks ago, the Indonesian government took a good step. They recorded the mining permit of 4 nickel companies in Raja Ampat. Why? Because those companies were damaging the environment. They cleaned more than 500 hectares of forest. They polluted the water and their activities harmed the coral reefs under the sea. Many people were happy with this discussion. Environmental groups, local communities, and members of parliament. They said this was the right step to protect nature for the picture. But there is still one company, PT Nickel, that still has the permit. They claim there are only mining outside the protected zone, but people are still worried that damage might still happen. Now I'd like to share my own opinions. First, the positive side. This discussion protects that coral reefs and the marine animals that live there. It also gives local communities a chance to focus on ecotourism, not just mining. It shows that the government is listening to the voice of the people and nature. But there are also some concerns. What if those companies sue in court and get their permits back? What if the remaining active company also damage the environment? What about the mine workers who lost their jobs? This shows that the issue is not simple. We need to find a balance between economic needs and environmental protection. I believe this mining happens in Raja Ampat because of weak supervision in remote area. Even though the law says small island must be protected, sometimes the rules are not enforced properly. So what can we do? In my opinions, the government must stay firm and not return the rocket farmings. An independent dam should invest the mining seats and make hunts refer. Local communities must be informed in discussion about their land. And we must invest in restoring the damaged forests and coral reefs. It's short. This is a good first step. But we still have a long way to go. We must protect Raja Ampat not just for today, but for future generation. Okay, thank you. Next, now I'd like to share my thoughts about the course public speaking discussion and debate. For me, this course is very useful. I learned to speak more clearly and confidently. I learned how to express idea, give strong reason, and respond to question effectively. I also learned to be a better listener. Because it's discussion and debate, we need to understand what others say before we respond. Honestly, this course made me really nervous when speaking in front of people, so I think this is a very challenging course, especially because my limited vocabulary really affect my speaking. Touch on the activities in this course. In this course, we did many interesting activities such as group discussion, class debate, and giving feedback to classmates. Every time I speak English with others, I get nervous because I have to think correctly to form sentences that feel like a big challenge for me. Feedback from classmates we also very helpful. I could know what I did well and what I need to improve. These activities make the class fun and full of learning. Next, if I could give suggestions for picture activities, here are my ideas. First, do mental exercises to boost confidence. Making mistakes while speaking is normal. Don't be afraid of it. Second, practice speaking more to become fluent in public speaking and more confident in using English. 3. Practice listening to others speak and practice giving appropriate responses. 4. Create a classroom environment that students enjoy. Make teaching more relaxed so students don't feel too scared to share their argument. I believe activities like this can make the course more interesting and even more useful in the future. That's all I want to share today about Nicole meaning in Raja Ampat and my experience in the public speaking, discussion and debate course. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.